Welcome back to Ben's Basics. 1893 Pepsi, the original Cola, was a Pepsi product that was sold up until last year when COVID hit. It is supposed to be a reinterpretation of the original Pepsi formula. After being discontinued, I have been trying to recreate it. I think I got pretty close. So here, first we need some sparkling water, simple syrup. You can try and make it, but trust me, it's just easier just to buy it. Then we also have some Kola Nut Extract, some caramel flavor for fountain drinks, and the aromatic bitters. Alright, so we're going to first add in the Kola Nut Extract. We're going to need to do this by the, I think it's going to be by the teaspoon. Quarter teaspoon, actually. So, it's going to put in about... see here, one. Let's make it two. Three. 3/4 of a teaspoon of Kola Nut Extract. You can, of course, adjust the formula yourself, but this is what got the closest to the Pepsi flavor for me. Now, the caramel flavoring. One-quarter teaspoon, 2/4 teaspoon. I think that's plenty. This stuff is actually really strong. If you don't like such a strong caramel flavor, you can just add in 1/4 teaspoon. Now we're going to add in the aromatic bitters. This you have to measure with dashes or shakes because it has like a dish there. So 1, 2, 3 dashes of aromatic bitters. And now the simple syrup. Get prepared because this is soda. It's going to be a lot of sugar for soda. I've tried doing it with a lot less sugar. You need the sugar. Here we go. We got 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons, 4 tablespoons, 5 tablespoons, 6 tablespoons of simple syrup. Alright. I just stir that with a chopstick. I find that chopsticks are the best for stirring drinks like this. Get a good whiff of that. It smells like a fountain drink to me. Alright, now we have to add in our sparkling water. Open this slowly because some of these come up a little pre-primed there. I'm just going to top it off. Watch out, fizzes. Oh, look at that. Alright, let's go take a taste of that. Very light stir. You don't want to agitate too much or else you're going to get rid of the bubbles. Alright, take a taste. Oh yeah, that tastes like Pepsi to me. Alright, 1893 Pepsi. Back in action. Like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more.